In The Lion King 2, Simba's Pride, Simba, once the beloved hero of Pride Rock, takes on a role that, when scrutinized, bears a striking resemblance to that of a villain. His actions, driven by deep-seated fear and an inability to move past the trauma of his past, lead him to become an oppressive and prejudiced leader, far from embodying the wisdom and compassion expected of a king. Simba's reign is marked by a tyrannical fear that perpetuates conflict rather than fostering the unity that ultimately saves his kingdom. Simba's primary villainous trait is his immediate and severe condemnation of Zira and the outsiders. Without attempting dialogue or understanding, he exiles them to the desolate outlands, demonstrating a profound lack of mercy and an overwhelming prejudice against anyone associated with Scar. This harsh judgment stems from his personal pain, but as a king, it blinds him to the possibility of rehabilitation or coexistence. By choosing exile over integration, Simba effectively creates a cycle of hatred and resentment, directly fueling Zira's desire for revenge and solidifying the outsiders' animosity towards the Pride Lands, making them victims of his fear. Furthermore, Simba's overprotective and controlling nature toward his daughter, Kiara, also paints him in a negative light. While seemingly born of love, his constant surveillance and attempts to dictate her friendships and future stifle her growth and independence. He forbids her from interacting with the outsiders, essentially enforcing his own prejudices upon her and limiting her understanding of the world beyond his fearful perspective. This possessive behavior prevents Kiara from pursuing her own destiny and ultimately forces her to defy him, highlighting how his rigid control inadvertently pushes her towards the very dangers he wishes to prevent. Ultimately, Simba's refusal to consider reconciliation and his persistent paranoia lead to the climactic war that nearly destroys both prides. His inability to trust, his constant suspicion of Kovu, and his dismissal of Kiara's pleas for peace escalate tensions to a breaking point. Instead of seeking common ground or extending an olive branch, he relies on force and segregation, embodying the very divisions that Scar once fostered. It is only when Kiara and Kovu defy his rigid ideology and inspire a new path forward that the cycle of violence is broken, revealing how Simba's own villainous fear and prejudice were the true obstacles to peace.